Okay, here I have my Arduino sensor. Um, Currently, I'm using this pin right here, pin 2, as a interrupt pin. And what's happening here is that I have my two IR sensor and sender and receiver here. The sender is always on and it's shooting out this beam that the receiver is going to receive on reflections. You can notice that the IR LED has some black tape around it. That's to reduce interference and make it so that we're only getting reflected signals, not signals popping off the side of it. The output from my IR receiver is then sent through this op amp to help reduce some of the noise and to calculate in basically when we are close enough to a reflective white surface. And so I'm going to turn on the fan now. So I got a fan here. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to basically push it into the fan until I see a response. I have a graph here, right? So if I hold up closer here without hitting myself. Yep, you see now we stay close enough. I don't want to get too close. This is reading the RPM. My camera's not focusing. Yeah, see, this is at this RPM is at 800 right now. I'm gonna boost up the fan signal. I need the other hand for that. Sorry about the black screen. So now we're at high, and this is at 1200 RPM. This is a little step motor. It goes from 800 to 1200. And if I don't hit the fan with my finger, you can see that we are reading the signal. And I think I just took out an LED. So if I reset the LED, it'll work again. But that is the premise of the RPM meter.